The manager called up the sales team right before the pitch to make sure everyone was aligned. I called up my old colleague friend out of the blue and we talked for 2 hours straight. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb call up. Call up means to contact someone by phone or to officially summon someone for a duty or task. In a professional context, it is what you do when something is urgent and a message just won't cut it. You call up a client to close a deal. You call up a colleague when a decision needs to happen right now. It signals action, intention, and professionalism. In everyday life, calling someone up means reaching out, sometimes for a reason, sometimes just because you're thinking of them. It's personal, direct, and real, and in some contexts, it can also mean being selected or summoned. A soldier called up for service, or a player called up to the national team. Now that you understand the core meaning of call up, subscribe if you want to master more phrasal verbs that English speakers actually use every day. And if this example helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. Let's see call up in action. Example 1. She called up the client the morning of the meeting to confirm all the details. Example 2. The director called up the entire project team when the contract was officially approved. Example 3. He called up his parents to share the good news the moment he got the job offer. Example 4. My friend called me up on a Sunday morning and suggested we go for a hike. Best decision of the week.
Subscribe.
Now it is your turn. Go to the comments and post your own example using call up. Commenting is a powerful way to show engagement with our community, but more importantly, it helps you put your new vocabulary into practice immediately. So, don't skip this part. If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.